I'm working on a quick and simple mountain range, a throwback to my days of making artwork from scraps of paper in elementary school. As you'll see displayed on the screen, I'm starting with 4 pieces of paper, cut to the same width but varying lengths. Beginning with my shortest piece, I'm tearing my paper across the top, creating peaks and valleys. Note how I'm tearing in an upwards direction, allowing plenty of the white inside to show, giving the appearance of snow on top of our mountains. Now that I have the 3 smaller pieces torn, I'm taking my shortest piece and I'll be adding watercolor trees. For this project, I'm only planning to use gray and black to match my cardstock, but I think almost any colors would look great. This is the method I use for very fast and loose trees. It isn't necessarily the best technique for a detailed tree, but for just the most basic suggestion of a tree shape, this is how I paint them. I'm taking a small flat brush and filling it with plenty of paint and water. See how I'm dabbing in a vertical line, not really worrying about filling in the line entirely. And then I use the paint from the line to work my way down the trunk, pulling branches back and forth. They tend to get slightly larger as we go down further on the trunk. Now, while the paint is still wet, I'm using my darker shade to drop in paint close to where the shadows might fall. With a single streak of gray, I'm creating the ground. Going over the streak with a clean, wet brush, I can easily pull the ground all the way across the paper. Now let's wait for the paint to dry. Time for a little sparkle. I'm using a glue pen and some white glitter to add a dusting of newly fallen snow to this scene. Just make sure to work over a piece of paper so you can catch the excess and put it back into your glitter tube for next time. Once dry, use glue or double-sided tape to attach the layers. I plan to use this for either a card or a page in my junk journal, so I'm adding the word Mary with my stamps. Here's another example in a different color combination with peace and joy stamped in a muted gold. Well, I hope you had fun with this modern take on a childhood art project. Thanks for watching.